What is up, everybody, and welcome back to Digimarkx AI. Wow, I know it's been a minute, a very, very long minute, but I honestly could not be more excited to finally be back with you. So, let's just get right into it. Okay, so maybe that's one secret hack I'll keep to myself for a little while longer, but I promise you, the secrets I'm about to start sharing on this channel, they're going to be 1,000 times more valuable than my little vanishing act. But for real, where have I been? That's the big question, right? I know so many of you have been asking, and honestly, you 100% deserve an answer.
Yep, it has been 11 months. 11 months since the last upload. You know, in the regular world, that's a long time. In the tech world, that is an absolute eternity. So much has changed.
And listen, there's no crazy secret here. The simple truth is, life happened. You know how it is. It threw a few major curveballs my way, and I really had to just hit pause on, well, on everything, including this channel, just to focus and navigate through it all. And for that, I'm truly, genuinely sorry for just going dark and leaving you all hanging like that. I have missed this community more than you can possibly imagine. I've missed the comments, your ideas, and honestly, I've just missed that thrill of finding some game-changing piece of tech and sharing it with you all.
But that's the past. Let's talk about the future. Because this time away, it wasn't just a pause. It turned into something more. It was a chance to recharge, to refocus, and to completely reimagine what this channel could and should be.
And that's really the key thing here. This wasn't just a break. I've really started to see it as an incubation period. It wasn't about being idle at all. It was about preparing for a massive leap forward. A total transformation was happening, behind the scenes.
So while things were quiet on the outside, I was deep in the digital trenches. I was experimenting with everything, learning all the new trends, and uncovering some of the most mind-blowing AI applications and productivity hacks I have ever seen. The tech world, especially AI, it has just exploded, and I've been soaking it all in for you. And all of that, all the learning, the planning, the late-night experimenting, it has all led us to this exact moment. So just to be clear, this is not a return to the old way of doing things. No way. This is the start of something completely new. I am back. And I'm not just back to making videos. I am back with a brand new passion, a much clearer vision, and a whole arsenal of unbelievable tech that I cannot wait to share with you. And I gotta be honest with you, I have never, ever been more fired up than I am right now. Not just about the future of this channel, but about the insane technology we are gonna get to explore together. We are on the edge of something huge. So, what does this new era of Digimarkx AI actually look like for you? Well, I'm going to be your guide through this absolute explosion of new tech. And our goal? It's way bigger than it was before. We're not just talking about saving a couple of minutes here or there anymore. We are talking about fundamentally changing, revolutionizing how you work, how you create, and how you can scale your income. The tools that are out there right now, they are that powerful. It's not a joke. So our new focus is going to be built on 3 core pillars. First, we're going to dive deep into AI tools that seriously feel like they are from the future. Second, we're going to build next-level productivity systems that will literally give you hours of your day back. And third, we are absolutely still going to uncover those unfair advantage tech hacks that give you an edge over everyone else. But here's the thing. This isn't just my comeback, it's our comeback. I really want to build this next chapter with you, with the community that makes all of this possible in the first place. And I'm going to need your help to do it right. So, I have a really important question for you. What is the single biggest tech challenge or frustration that you are facing right now? Are you drowning in emails, struggling to create content? Are you just totally overwhelmed trying to figure out how to even use AI? I really want to know. So here's how you can join this new mission. First, if you're not already, please make sure you're subscribed. Second, and this is super important, smash that notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And third, and this is the big one, drop your answer to my question in the comments below. Let me know your challenges. I'm going to be reading every single one to make sure the content I create solves your exact problems. So thank you for your patience, thank you for sticking around. The wait is officially over. The comeback season for this channel, it starts right now. And trust me, you are not going to want to miss a thing. The future of technology is moving at a dizzying pace, but you know what? We're not just going to sit back and watch it happen. We are going to grab it, we're going to harness it. The future is here, my friends, and we are going to build it together. Welcome back to Digimarkx AI.